Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to get lash extensions. I'm really excited for it because I've never had lash extensions before, so I don't know what to expect. This is what my lashes look like right now. This is what it looks like right now, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like. The place I'm going to is called YOLO Butte. It's located in Pleasanton. It's about 8:55 right now, and my appointment is at 9:30. So I don't have anything on my face, nothing on my eyes. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I can't believe I had the radio on, but I hope you guys heard all of that. Yeah, I'm on my way right now. So the reason why I'm doing lash extensions is because my birthday is coming up in a couple of days. I'm gonna be the big 30, and my husband is taking me to LA just to celebrate. So I don't even know what he has planned, but he's like, oh yeah, I have something planned for you. I don't know what it is. So he's like, yeah, I want you to wear a gown, blah, 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 blah. So I'm just like, what the heck are we gonna do? I'm just like, I don't even know. Maybe he's just like throwing me off, or I don't know. I think it's gonna be a really nice dinner. Not sure, but I have to drive. I will see you guys once I get there. Big 30. I can't believe it. So I just got here at the location, and like I said, I am nervous and excited at the same time. So let's go do this. Ah! Okay, so yeah, this is what my lashes look like right now. Kind of non-existent. Nobody's in there. I think I showed up too early. So I came early, and seems like she's gonna be 5 minutes late. Can you guys see that? Alright guys, I'm finally here with Nancy. She literally just got in and she's just doing her thing. This is her studio. She has all her certifications there. She also does brows, microblading and lash lifts, and lash extensions, obviously. So this is her studio. It is super cute. So I'm about to show her which lashes I like. I went on her Instagram, and if you guys want to follow her and check out her work, she's under YOLO Beauty. This is her Instagram right here. YOLO, is it YOLO Beauty or YOLO Butte? YOLO Butte. YOLO Butte. There you go. And she has a ton of stuff on her page, tons of microblading, lashes, and I just really liked her work, so we'll see how it looks. I'm really excited. Let me show you guys what I wanted her to do. I really love, oh, this is the one I really liked right here. She also has bottom lashes and top lashes. So fluffy. I love it. So once Nancy is done like setting up, then she'll talk to you guys about like what we're gonna do and aftercare and all that type of stuff. So yeah. Okay, I'm laying down. Oh my god, I'm really excited, but I'm kind of nervous. Because basically a lot of people say when you do extensions your lashes fall out. So
no, it's not. You know, like the extension is very different now. So the new product is healthy. It's not gonna like make your natural lashes fall off, because your natural lashes fall off naturally 3 to 5 lashes every day. And when your natural lashes fall off, the extension will follow that to come up.
I want my eyes to look more rounded, not so much like wide like this. I like it look more rounded.
You want to make your eye look bigger?
Yeah.
So I would like to make the longest length At
In
the
the
center,
center?
yes.
Okay.
It will make your eye look more round and bigger.
How long does it take usually?
Can I see your lashes? So it depends. But I think your lashes, the top only take about an hour and 45 minutes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What are you using right now? Like,
So I will use the tail part to separate the bottom lashes. So make sure it's not gonna stop with the top. And after I put this one on, you have to close your eyes.
oh.
Okay, can you open? Look up a little bit.
So how long have you been doing this?
I have been doing lashes for, let me see, almost 5 years.
Mm.
Okay, close.
Can I open my eyes in between or?
Oh no, you cannot.
Oh, so I can just take a nap. This is perfect because I
Yes.
have a 6-month-old son and I'm in need of a lot of sleep.
You feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
So one eye is done. Whoa. That's this one. That's this one. Actually really like it. Yeah, I like it a lot. Moving on to the next. I don't even know how long that one eye took. How long was it? Like 30 minutes?
More?
Oh,
You will do
really?
it more? I think about 40 minutes more.
Wow. I can't believe I sat through that. Okay, lashes are done. I'll show you guys what it looks like more when we step out, but this is what it looks like at the moment. And then Nancy is going to tell us about aftercare. So what do I do? The most important thing.
The most important thing is you have to wash the extension every day.
Every day?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I did not know that.
This is, I recommend to you this one especially for the eyelid. It's very gentle. And yeah, but if you don't use this one, we can use just oil-free cleanser. Make sure this is oil-free.
Can I use baby shampoo?
Yes. Yeah,
Okay,
that's
perfect.
Mm-hmm.
I have that because I have a baby, so.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can use baby shampoo or I can use this. So what is the difference between baby shampoo and that? Like.
So that's especially for the eyelid. So it's more gentle
Okay.
than the baby shampoo.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So how much is that if I get that?
It's 25.
Okay.
But the baby shampoo is good though.
Okay.
And I will give you one brush. You can brush your lashes every day to keep the lashes in shape. Don't brush it when your lash is wet. Make sure it's dry. And do you cook?
Do I what?
Cook.
Oh, all the time.
Yeah.
I love to cook.
When you open the oven, make sure don't get your face too close to the oven because the heat will melt the extension.
Oh my god.
When you blow dry your hair also.
I blow dry my hair all the time.
Make sure
Every time.
Don't put the hair dryer too close to your lashes.
Okay. Is that...
No mascara. You can wear eyeshadow, eyeliner, but no mascara.
Okay.
And if you use the eyeliner, make sure that is the liquid. Don't use the pencil eyeliner because the pencil will stuck to your lashes and difficult to wash off.
Okay.
The liquid is the more better.
Okay, and how long will these last?
So for my client, they come every 3 to 4 weeks for the fill.
Okay.
Or even longer, depend on how your natural lashes are.
Okay, sounds good. So this is like your stash of what, like brushes to clean the lashes, or what?
Brushes to keep in shape, and every time when you come in for fill, I will give you the new one for replace it.
Okay.
Put it in like this.
Okay, cool. So I'll take this one. Okay, this one's mine. Awesome. Thank you so much. I just finished getting my lashes done, and what do you guys think of it? I can't really I don't know. I really like it. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Va va voom, baby. Okay, I'll show you guys more when I'm not driving because I do not want to crash. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I wasn't able to film like really my lashes and stuff like that, but this is literally the day after with sleeping and washing it and stuff, and this is what it looks like. If you want me to do a tutorial on how I care for these little lash extensions, then drop me a comment down below and I can definitely upload a video for you guys. But it's super simple. All you have to do is just wash it at night and then like blow dry it, but I don't really blow dry it. I just use my little mini fan and run the spoolie through it and wait until it dries. So that's basically what I do, and this is what it looks like in the morning after. So it kind of looks like when you wake up they're all like jumbled up together, but then you just go like this and like that and kind of like, I don't know, fix it to your liking, and that's basically it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is literally me in the morning, and I could actually get used to this. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Check out Nancy and tell her I sent you. Unfortunately, I don't have a discount code for you guys, but definitely check her out. I'm sure you guys will like it. She also does microblading, lash lift, and all that stuff. I'm definitely going to be doing a lash lift if I don't get extensions, these lash extensions anymore, and I'll definitely share my experience with you guys as well. So yeah, this is the video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.